Welcome everybody, I am Alexander Linz, head of content of WatchAdvisor.com, the largest search engine for wristwatches and official retailers on the net. I do now invite you guys to come with me to discover Jaquet Droz. We will discover some amazing timepieces. Follow me and see something you probably have not seen before. Adriana, you're going to show us an amazing clock.
Yeah,
it's
this amazing piece is called Parrot Repeater Pocket Watch. It is a Savonnet pocket watch. It has a double secret system to open it because there is two covers on it. The top cover can be opened like this. Inside we have a minute repeater automaton movement. It is a talking piece of Jaquet Droz savoir-faire. There is the engraving, the miniature painting, the sculpting.
Can you still one more minute show it, or a little bit more?
Yeah.
Three-dimensional, two parrots feeding their babies. So you have, we see Mama, Papa, the two little birdies, an egg,
Exactly.
a lion, a whole scenery, a tiger. So it's a three-dimensional scenery on a pocket watch. And when you activate the minute repeater, can we do that again, please? You will see mommy feeding the child, the little birdies. So cool. Oops, once again. Still hungry. Very nice. So everything is done by hand, painted by hand, sculptured by hand. What kind of techniques are you have on the dial?
On the dial, it's a mother of pearl dial.
Yes.
So we have the engraving and the miniature painting on it. The parrot has been sculpted and miniature painted again.
Amazing. And it is protected by a
sapphire.
No, but when you get close.
Okay, so
we can see some diamonds now.
The cover
Brilliant.
has been set by emeralds, blue sapphire, pink sapphire, rubies, yellow diamonds.
Fantastic.
And we still continue with the métier d'art of Jaquet Droz. The leaves has been engraved and grand feu enamels.
Great. And then we will see
The back.
Oh, look at this nice parrot.
So there is a medallion that has been engraved, enamel painting, and also paillonné on it.
And some gem setting around.
Yeah, it's a snow setting.
Snow setting. Hundreds.
Double secret because we can open both cover.
Now it's the back. And we see the movement.
Yeah. So each side has been hand finished by our craftsmen.
Yeah. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Is there a price for it?
Yeah.
I assume.
Yeah, there is 1 million Swiss franc.
And it's a unique piece you have been doing.
Yeah.
To show all the handcrafts.
Exactly.
Of Jaquet
It's
Droz.
really a talking piece of our savoir-faire.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Adriana, for presenting us the watch.
Thanks.
you. So guys, thank you very much for watching this presentation at Jaquet Droz here in Baselworld. Thank you. I hope you liked what we showed you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to like our videos.